Introducing Coral FR, a textile entrance flooring system for rail vehicles. Why choose Coral FR for rail vehicles? Coral FR is an extremely versatile textile entrance system for rail interiors that can reduce cleaning costs by up to 65% and prolong the lifetime of saloon floor coverings and finishes. Stops up to 95% of walked-in dirt and moisture. Excellent soil hiding and moisture absorbing properties. Significantly reduces the risk of slip and fall incidences. For more information or to request a visit from a key account manager, please contact Forbo Flooring Systems either by telephone, email or online. If you'd like to be kept up to date regarding product updates, industry news and events, then sign up via our website to our quarterly newsletter, Transpress. And don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter for daily updates, regular blogs and current industry news.